Hello guys, happy Independence Day. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to say about 5 great inventions by Indians. Number 1 is the zero. And people in olden days had always thought that how to represent nothing. But it came to an end in 5th century AD when an Indian mathematician Aryabhatta invented zero. This made all mathematical operations easier than before times. And zero was carved on a wall of a temple in Gwalior in India. If you are not a fan of maths, this will be a simple thing. But without zero, there will be no binary codes, and automatically there will be no computers. And number 2 is the rulers scales. Indus Valley civilization was using rulers in 1500 BC, and these were made of ivory, and these rulers were found mostly in excavations which are happened in Pakistan and northwestern India. These were widely used in architecture, and this has units corresponding to 1.32 inches and marked with extreme subdivisions like 5,000th of an inch. And third one is chess. This brilliant game is also an intellectual invention of India, and it was also called Chaturanga and played mostly around Gupta Empire at 6th century AD. Like chess, Chaturanga also had different pieces of different capabilities and values, but there are 4 players instead of 2. This game also has a king. Winning of the game depends upon the fate of the king. And the other game of India is Snake and Ladders. It is also called Moksha Pot and was being played in 13th century. Poet and Saint Gyandev has invented it. During British rule in India, it was transported to UK and then to United States of America. The fourth one is plastic surgery. In 6th century BC, an Indian physician, Sushruta, wrote a huge reference book on medicine and surgery. He is called father of surgery in India, and he also told the true uses of 100 medicinal plants. He also performed surgical procedures including nose reconstruction and skin transplantation from one part of the body to another part of the body. He also done original method of the rhinoplasty that involved taking a piece of skin from forehead and reconstruct the nose. Still it is in use until today, but this cause nose somewhat bigger and it turns nose like fox nose. And fifth one is cataract surgery. Sushruta not only done plastic surgery but also performed cataract surgery. He used a curved needle to remove the lens from the affected eye after giving anesthesia. This procedure soon became popular all over the world, and thank you. Please subscribe my channel.